Hello language enthusiast, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be extremely beneficial, extremely helpful for all aspirants of staff selection commission, different types of bank examination like SBI, IBPS, IBAC, IO, NDA, CDS, UPSC, BPSC, UPPCS, and other state PCS exams because I'm going to cover approximately 250 important English simple words along with their synonyms and antonyms. As you know, English plays a major role in clearing competitive exams, and these vocabulary set will definitely boost your score in the English section of different examination. I have already uploaded various grammar series like idioms, one word substitution, adverbs, conjunction, infinitives, and many more helpful videos are on the way. Also, don't forget to check out the science and technology weekly updates, which I have uploaded day before yesterday series. That one from 23rd to 31st July, and the current affairs series from 16th to 31st July, which consists of approximately 200 news, which is being uploaded in three parts. The second part will be live tomorrow. And for NEET aspirants, make sure you go through my detailed videos on molecular basis of inheritance, reproduction, and biotechnology. More NEET specific content is also coming soon. After watching this video, if you found this video is useful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It is a request to support me to grow and bring much more educational to help me to make such educational content for all government exam aspirants. So don't forget to watch my previous videos, current affairs series, science and technology updates, biotechnology series, especially curated for UPSC, BPSC, NEET, and other exam, and grammar series, English grammar series for SSC, SBI, IBPS, and the NDA, CDS exam. So kindly watch all my videos and subscribe my channel, share among fellow aspirants, boost my morale also. Let's get started to acquire the knowledge of 250 words along with their synonyms and antonyms. What are synonyms? So, synonyms are words or phrases that have a similar meaning. So, they are like your vocabulary's best friends, ready to step in when you want to avoid repetition or add a touch to off variety. So, if you do not want to use the same word in your sentences, you can use the synonyms of that specific word based on your need of that sentence. For example, instead of saying happy all the time, you could use synonyms like joyful, elated, or content, depending on the specific shade of happiness, specific demand of happiness you want to convey. What are antonyms? Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. They are the perfect tool for creating contrast and emphasis. For example, if you want to describe a dark and stormy night, you could use antonyms. For that, antonyms dark and stormy nights, it becomes bright and calm to highlight the darkness and intensity of the storm. So in this video, we are going to learn approximately 250 words with their synonyms and antonyms, and I think this will definitely help you in cracking different types of competitive exams. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe my channel. Word starting word is abandon. Abandon means forsake, desert, leave, relinquish. Abandon means if you're leaving something, forsaking something, deserting something, relinquishing something means leaving something. So abandon antonyms, you are keeping something, retaining, holding, continuing. Abundance means you're leaving something, and antonyms becomes you are keeping something, holding something, continue something. So abundance synonyms are forsake, desert, leave, relinquish. Antonyms are keep, retain, hold, continue. Next word is abundant. Abundant means when you are having something in a large amount, plentiful, ample, copious. bountiful. So large amount, that is abundant. And then it antonyms becomes when it is having anything is having in less amount, in scarcity. So scarce, sparse, meager, insufficient. So anything which is insufficient is a antonym of abundant. Third word is accurate. Accurate means which is perfect, which is precise, correct, exact, true. So synonyms are precise, perfect, correct, exact, true. Accurate antonyms are inaccurate, wrong, incorrect, faulty. Next word is admit. Synonyms are confess, acknowledge, concede, accept. If you have done any mistakes, kindly admit it, kindly confess it, kindly acknowledge it, kindly concede it, kindly accept it. So admit synonyms are confess, acknowledge, concede, accept. Antonyms are you are not accepting that you have done this and that. So deny, reject, refuse, disputes are antonyms of admit. Next word is advance. Advance means something is in progress, in success, in improvement, in promotion, enhancement. So advance synonyms are progress, improve, promote, enhance. Antonyms means you are decreasing. So you are in the path of the failure. So retreat, decline, regress, decrease. So something when it is a decreasing, it becomes regressing, declining, retreating. So and advance antonyms are retreat, decline, regress, decrease. Next word is advantage. Advantage means benefit, gain, profit, age. Antonyms are disadvantage, drawback, hindrance, loss. Next word is aggressive, means you are in anger, you are showing your hostility, combating, fighting, assertive, forceful. See, antonyms becomes passive, peaceful, gentle, submissive. Means you are pacifying something. If someone is in anger, you are pacifying something, and he or she is peaceful. So aggressive antonyms are passive, peaceful, gentle, submissive. Submissive is a new words which means a peaceful person, a passive, gentle person. Now, gentle, meaning of this. Now, allow. Next word is allow. Allow means you are permitting, authorizing, enabling, approving. So, allow synonyms are permit, authorize, enable, approve. Antonyms are forbid, prohibit, deny, refusing. So, you are not accepting anything that is disallowing. So, allow antonyms are forbid, prohibit, deny, refuse. So, forbid is a new words which means prohibiting, denying, refusing. So no, when the forbid will come, it meaning is denying, refusing. Now next word is ancient. Ancient synonyms are something which is old, antique, archaic, aged. Now synonyms becomes modern, new, recent, contemporary. So whatever the things is new, recent, modern, contemporary are antonyms opposite of ancient. Now, next word is annual. Annual means every year, yearly, perennial, once a year, cyclic. So, annual means which is happening once a year, one time in a year. So, yearly, perennial, once a year, cyclic. Antonyms becomes which is irregular, rare, occasional. So, someone is coming to your house once a year, or someone is coming occasionally. It's not fixed. So the antonyms become irregular, rare, occasional, and new word is sporadic. Sporadic means which is irregular, rare, occasional. Now next word is answer. Answer, the synonyms are same meanings are reply, respond, retort, rejoinder. See, antonyms are you are questioning, querying, asking, inquiring. So question, query, ask, inquire. Next word is arrive. Arrive synonyms are reach, come, land, appear. Land for the case of aeroplane is landing, means aeroplane has arrived. So reach, come, land, appear. Antonyms of arrive is depart, leave, exit, go. Means someone has gone. So antonyms are depart, leave, exit, go. New word is now next word is artificial. Artificial mean synonyms are synthetic, which is man-made, fake. Their promise is artificial. His promise is artificial. So fake, synthetic, imitation. Now antonyms becomes which is real, genuine, natural, authentic. So his promise is genuine. He is authentic. Now, ascent means to climbing somewhere, rising, soar, mount. Antonyms are descending, decreasing, falling, dropping, declining, decreasing. So, ascent antonyms are opposites are descent, descending, decreasing, falling, dropping, declining. Attack. Word is attack. Synonyms are strike, charge, aggress, assault. Antonyms are protecting. Attack. Antonyms become protecting, guard, shield, defend. Next word is attractive. Attractive means her beauty is appealing, attracting, alluring, charming, lovely. So these are the synonyms of attractive: appealing, alluring, charming, lovely. Antonyms are unattractive, ugly, repulsive, offensive. Repulsive, offensive. You know about the case of magnet also. Magnet, when it becomes attractive and when it's become repulsive. Now next word is awake. Awake means wake up, stir, rouse, arouse. Antonyms are sleep, rest, slumber, doze. Sleep, rest, slumber, doze means someone is sleeping at rest. Awake means someone has waken up means arouse, waken up, stir, rouse. So awake, arouse, wake up, stir, rouse. Now next word is awkward. Awkward means something which is clumsy, uh, unskilled, not good. So clumsy, ungainly, inept, unskilled. So awkward answer, awkward, something, anything that is a clumsy, ungainly, inept, unskilled. Antonyms and opposite of awkward is graceful, elegant, skilled, dexterous. Means dexterous, new word is dexterous, which is elegant, beautiful, graceful, skilled. So dexterous, knowledgeable, graceful, elegant, skilled, attractive. Begin. Synonyms are, word is begin. Synonyms are start, commence, initiate, launch. So begin, you use the synonyms. Start, commence the task, initiate the task, launch this and that. So begin. Antonyms opposites are and, finish, conclude, terminate. Below, next word is below. So below, synonyms are under, beneath, down, lower. Antonyms are above, over, up, higher. Next word is benefit, advantage, gain, profit, good. Antonyms are harm, loss, disadvantage, detriment. So harm, loss, disadvantage, detriment. So detriment means when there is a loss, there is a harm, disadvantage. So new word is detriment. Detrimental means something which is in loss and disadvantageous condition. Detriment. Detriments. Brave. Synonyms are courageous, bold, daring, valiant. Valiant is a new word which means brave. Antonyms are which is a coward, afraid, fearful, timid, coward person. So brave opposite is coward, afraid, fearful, timid. Brief. Brief means short. Synonyms are short, concise, terse, succinct. So brief, synonyms are something in short, concise, terse, succinct. Antonyms are long, lengthy, wordy, extensive. Long, lengthy, wordy, extensive. Word is bright. Synonyms are shiny, luminous, radiant, vivid. Antonyms which are dull, dark, dim, gloomy. Next word is broad, broad. Synonyms means wide, extensive, spacious, expensive. Broad means expensive, spacious, extensive, wide. Antonyms are narrow, limited, confined, restricted. Next word is build. Synonyms are construct, erect, assemble, create. Antonyms are demolish, destroy, ruin, dismantle. So you are building something, you are creating something, and opposites become destroying something, ruining something, demolishing something, and dismantling something. Busy. Busy synonyms are you are occupied, engaged, employed, active. Antonyms becomes you are an idle condition, free, unoccupied, inactive. Calm. Calm synonyms are tranquil. You are living in tranquil, peaceful, serene, quiet. So two new words, tranquil and serene. Serene. So tranquil and serene means quiet, peaceful, calm. So calm synonyms are tranquil, peaceful, serene, quiet. Antonyms are agitated, excited, turbulent, chaotic. So two new words are turbulent, chaotic. Turbulent, chaotic means agitated, excited. Chaotic, turbulence, agitated, excited. Turbulent, agitated. Careful, cautious, prudent, vigilant, meticulous. So careful synonyms are cautious, prudent, vigilant, meticulous. Antonyms careless, reckless, negligent, hasty. In hurry, you are doing something. So you are careless, reckless, hasty. Seize. Synonyms are stop anything, halt anything, end anything, terminate anything. So seize. Synonyms are stop, halt, and terminates. Antonyms are continue, start, begin, initiates. Next word is certain. Certain means sure, confident, positive, definite. Antonyms are uncertain, doubtful, unsure, indefinite. Uncertain, doubtful, unsure, indefinite. Change. Next word is change. Change synonyms are alter, modify, transform, convert. So alter means changing something, modifying something, transform, convert. Antonyms opposite meanings are maintain, preserve, keep, retain. Cheap. Inexpensive, economical, low cost, affordable. So cheap synonyms are inexpensive, economical, low cost, affordable. Then opposite meaning antonyms becomes expensive, costly, pricey, high priced. Cheerful. Word is cheerful. Synonyms are joyful, happy, merry, bright. Antonyms become sad, unhappy, gloomy, depressed. Close. Close synonyms are shut, seal, conclude, terminate. Antonyms are open, begin, start, commence. Commence means to initiate something, start something. Coarse synonyms are which is rough surface, coarse surface. So coarse, rough, crude, harsh, unrefined. So coarse synonyms are rough, coarse, coarse. Course is the subject, course. Coarse, coarse means synonyms are rough, crude, harsh, unrefined. Antonyms are which surface is smooth, soft, refined, polished surface. Cold. Synonyms are chilly, freezy, icy, frosty. Antonyms are hot, warm, heated, boiling. Combine. Synonyms are unite, merge, blend, integrate. Antonyms are separate, divide, split, isolate. Comfort. And synonyms are ace, consolation, relief, solace. So, ace, consolation, relief, solace are meaning comfort. Synonyms are ease, consolation, relief, solace. Antonyms discomfort, distress, agony, pain. Discomfort, distress, agony, pain. Common synonyms are ordinary, usual, frequent, regular. Ordinary, usual, frequent, regular. Common synonyms are common. Antonyms are rare, uncommon, unusual, unique. Next word is complete. Complete synonyms are finish, conclude, accomplish, fulfill. Accomplish means you have completed some task. Complete. Complete antonyms are incomplete, unfinished, partial, deficient. Partial, deficient. Next word is complex. Complex synonyms are complicated, intricate, elaborate, detailed. Now, antonyms become simple. Simple, easy, clear, straightforward. But complex synonyms are complicated, intricate, The method is intricate, elaborated, detailed, so complex. When it becomes detailed, so it becomes complex also. Conceal. Conceal means you are hiding something. So conceal synonyms are hide, cover, obscure, veil. So new words are obscure. Obscure or veil means concealing something, hiding something, covering something. Conceal antonyms are revealing, uncovering, exposing, disclosing. Reveal, uncover, expose, disclose. Confident synonyms are self-assured, certain, positive, secure. Antonyms becomes insecure, doubtful, unsure, hesitant. Next word is connect. Connect synonyms are link, join, attach, combine. Antonyms are disconnect, separate, detach, divide. Construct synonyms are build, create, assemble, fabricate. So new word is fabricate. Fabricate means you are constructing something. Antonyms destroy, demolish, ruin, dismantle. Dismantle means you are destroying something. So construct antonyms are destroy, demolish, dismantle. Next word is continue. Synonyms are persist, proceed, carry on, sustain. Continue antonyms are stop, halt, cease, discontinue. Courage synonyms are bravery, valor, fearlessness, fortitude. So new words are fortitude means bravery. Antonyms of courage are cowardice, fear, timidity, weakness. So timid means fear, coward person, cowardness. Create synonyms are make, form, produce, invent. Antonyms are destroy, demolish, ruin, annihilate. So new words are annihilate means we are destroying anything, you are demolishing anything, you are ruining something. So demolish and annihilate means destruction. Annihilate means destruction, and creation means production, invention, making anything. Next word is damage. Synonyms are harm, injury, destruction, deterioration. So deterioration means destruction. Damage antonyms are repair, fix, restore, heal. Next word is dangerous. Synonyms are hazardous, risky, perilous, unsafe. Perilous, I have made the sort also in this word. Perilous. Perilous means risky, dangerous, perilous. Antonyms become safe, secure, protected, harmless. Dark. Synonyms are gloomy, dim, shadow, black. Antonyms become light, bright, luminous, radiant. Decline means synonyms are decrease, deteriorate, worsen, drop. Antonyms are increase, improve, rise, enhance. Enhance means to rising something. Decrease synonyms are reduce, lessen, diminish, lower. Antonyms are Antonyms are increase, raise, expand, enlarge. Next word is defend. Defend synonyms are protect, guard, shield, safeguard. And antonyms become attack, assault, offend, strike. Delay. Next word is delay. Synonyms are postpone, defer, stall, procrastinate. Procrastinate is new word. It means you are postponing anything. So delay, postpone, defer, stall, procrastinates, and antonyms are advance, hasten, expedite, rush. So whenever you are in hurry burry, that condition it's become hasten, expedite, and rush. So delay means you're delaying something, procrastinating something, postponing something. So you are a habit of procrastinating your uh, mock test. You are not inculcate the habit of giving mock test on a daily basis. So you are always prefer to procrastinate your mock test. So procrastinates means delaying, postponing anything, and expedite means you are in rush, you are doing the revision in expedition, means in rush, in hurry, at the 11th hour of exam. Delight means synonyms are pleasure, joy, happiness, enjoyment. Opposite antonyms becomes displeasure, misery, sorrow, unhappiness. Next word is deny, because 250 words are there, so it's difficult to make sentences and explain. So the simple words I have taken in this 250 word series. The next series I will take difficult words as well. Deny. Next word is deny. Synonyms are refuse, reject, decline, disallow, disallow. Antonyms, opposites become accept, admit, acknowledge, grant. Destroy, synonyms are demolish, ruin, annihilate, wreck. So two new words have come in destroy. First is annihilate and wreck. Annihilate means destructing something, destroying something, ruining something. Annihilate. Wreck means also destroying something. So opposite, its antonyms becomes you are building something, constructing something, creating, repairing something. So build, construct, create, repair. Diligent means you are doing hard work, industrious, assiduous, conscientious. So three new words in diligent has come: industrious, assiduous, conscientious. Assiduous means you are hardworking, you are doing hard work, industrious, very hard work, conscientious, hard work. And opposite becomes you are lazy, idle, negligent, indifferent. So if you are lazy, idle, negligent, indifferent, so it's difficult to clear any entrance exam. You should be industrious, assiduous, conscientious to clear, to achieve your goal. Disappear, vanish, fade, evaporate, dissolve. So disappear, synonyms are vanish, fade, evaporate, dissolve. Antonyms becomes appear, emerge, show, manifest. So manifestation means something which is appearing, manifest, emerging, emerging. Sowing, manifest, new word is manifest. So appearing, emerging, sowing. Dislike, synonyms are hate, detest, abhor, loathe. So new words are abhor and loathe. Abhor means hate, hatred, loathe, hatred, abhor, hatred, loathe, hatred, detest, hatred. Now antonyms become like, enjoy, love, adore. So adore is means love. I adore him, I adore her. So enjoy, like, love. Now, next word is divide. Divide synonyms are separate, split, partition, distribute. Separate, split, doing, partition means doing, division, and distribute. So, its antonym opposites words are unite, join, combine, merge. Next word is dull. Synonyms are boring, tedious, uninteresting, dreary, monotonous. So, these are the tedious is a new words means boring. Antonyms become exciting, interesting, lively, bright. Next word is early. Synonyms are prompt, timely, ahead, preceding, prompt work, prompt answer. So prompt, timely, ahead, preceding. Antonyms become late, delayed, tardy, overdue. So two new words are tardy and overdue means delaying anything, doing late anything. So tardy and overdue means late or delayed. So early synonyms are prompt, timely, ahead, preceding. Antonyms are late, delayed, tardy, overdue. Now, next word is easy. Synonyms are simple, effortless, uncomplicated, straightforward. Now, antonyms, opposite meanings, which is easy, which is difficult, hard, complicated, challenging. Easy means opposite is difficult, hard, complicated, challenging. Encourage. Same meaning is synonyms are inspire, motivate, support, uplift. Its opposite meanings becomes it opposite words are discourage, deter, dissuade, demotivate. So two new words are deter and dissuade. Deter and dissuade means discouraging something, demotivating something. So dissuade and deter means discourage. Discourage. Next word is and. And means synonyms are finish, terminate, conclude, and cease. Then antonyms become start, begin, commence, initiate. Enemy. Next word is enemy. Synonyms are foe, opponent, rival, adversary. So new word is adversary means rival, enemy. Antonyms are friend, ally, companion, supporter. So ally means friend. Now, enjoy. Synonyms are appreciate, delight in, relish, savor. So, new words enjoy are relish, savor. Enjoy, new words relish means enjoyment, savor means enjoyment. Antonyms become display, dislike, hate, detest, loathe. Loathe, dislike. Entire. Synonyms are whole, complete, total, full. Antonyms are partial, incomplete, fractional, infraction, and part. Excited synonyms are enthusiastic, eager, zeal, thrilled, stimulated. So new words are stimulated. You are eager to know anything, you are eager to excited, you are thrilled, you are stimulated, so enthusiastic. So these are the synonyms of excited. And then antonyms becomes you are bored, monotonous, uninterested, indifferent, apathetic. Apathetic means bored, something which is apathetic. Expand, synonyms are enlarge, extend, increase, broaden. Antonyms become contract, shrink, reduce, decrease. Fast, fast, synonyms are quick, speedy, rapid, swift. Antonyms slow, sluggish, lethargic, unhurried. Fat, synonyms are overweight, obese, plump, chubby. So plump is a new word, means chubby, means obese. Antonyms thin, slim, lean, skinny. So skinny means very thin person. Fear, synonyms are terror, fright, alarm, dread. So fright means fear, fear and fright. Antonyms are courage, bravery, confidence, fearlessness. New word is now next word is fix. Fix, synonyms are repair, mend. Mend means repairing something. You are mending something. Restore, adjust. Antonyms are break, damage, ruin, destroying. You are destroying something, ruining something, breaking, damage. Flexible, synonyms are pliable, bending, supple, adaptable. Flexible, resilience also, it's a word is pliable. So pliable new word means flexible, bending. Supple also means flexible. New words are pliable and supple. Pliable means flexible, bending, supple, adaptable. Antonyms becomes rigid, stiff, inflexible, unbending. Float, synonyms are drift, glide, sail, hover. Antonyms are sink, submerge, drown, plunge. Follow, next word is follow. Synonyms are pursue, chase, succeed, adhere. And antonyms are lead, guide, precede, direct. Foolish, next word is foolish. Synonyms are silly, stupid, unwise, imprudent. Antonyms are wise, sensible, prudent, intelligent. Forget, next word is forget. So synonyms are neglect, ignore, disregard, overlook. Overlook. Antonyms are remember, recall, recollect, retain. Next word is freedom. Freedom, synonyms are liberty, independence, autonomy, free will. Antonyms are captivity, imprisonment, restraint, confinement. Phrase, synonyms are new, recent, crisp, novel. Antonyms, which is old, stale, spoiled, rotten. Friend, synonyms are companion, ally, acquaintance, comrade, and antonyms are enemy, foil, rival, adversary. Adversary. Full, synonyms are filed, complete, packed, replete. So replete is a new word, means complete, filled. Antonyms opposite meaning are empty, vacant, hollow, devoid. Genuine, synonyms are authentic, real, true, original. Antonyms are fake, counterfeit, false, imitation. Next word is gift. Synonyms are present, donation, offering, talents. Antonyms are purchase, sell, buy, acquisition. So new words is acquisition. Acquisition means purchasing, selling, buying. Now give. Next word is give. Synonyms becomes donate, present, bestow, grant. So new word is a bestow and grant means to donate and to present something. Bestow, grant. Antonyms are take, receive, withhold, retain. So withhold, retain, take, receive. Glad. New word is now next word is glad. Synonyms are happy, pleased, delighted, joyful. Antonyms sad, unhappy, miserable, depressed, disappointed. Good. Synonyms are excellent, fine, virtuous. Virtuous is a new word, means it means excellent. In place of excellent, you can use virtuous. Pleasant. Opposite meaning becomes bad. Antonyms becomes bad, evil, poor, inferior. Great. Synonyms are excellent, magnificent, grand, wonderful. Antonyms of great are terrible, awful, horrible, dreadful. Next word is happy. Synonyms are joyful, cheerful, content, pleased. Antonyms of happy are sad, unhappy, miserable, depressed. Next word is harmful. Synonym of harmful are dangerous, hurtful, damaging, detrimental. So detrimental is a new word which means dangerous. Synonyms of harmful are harmless, safe, beneficial, innocuous. So new words is innocuous, which means harmless, safe, beneficial, innocuous, innocuous. Next word is harsh. Harsh synonyms are severe, stern, rough, cruel. So stern means severe. Antonyms of harsh are gentle, kind, mild, soft. Next word is hate. Synonyms are loathe, detest, abhor, despise. Antonyms are love, adore, cherish, admire. Healthy synonyms are fit, well, strong, robust. So robust means strong, fit, well, healthy. Healthy antonyms are unhealthy, sick, ill, weak. Help synonyms are assist, aid, support, facilitate. Means supporting something. So new word is facilitate means you are helping something, supporting something. Antonyms of help are hinder, obstruct, prevent, impede. So new word impede means preventing something, obstructing something. You are giving hindrance of something. So impede. Hide. Synonyms are conceal, cover, disguise, mask. So disguise means to concealing something, hiding something. Antonyms of hide are revealing, show, uncover, expose. High synonyms are tall, elevated, lofty, raised. So lofty means something in high level. Lofty, elevated. Antonyms of high are low, short, flat, lowered. Honest. Synonyms are truthful, sincere, frank, candid. So, candid, new word means honest. Antonyms are dishonest, deceitful, untruthful, false. So, deceitful means dishonest. Now, next word is hope. Synonyms are expect, wish, anticipate, desire. So anticipate new word means to wishing something or desiring something or hoping something. Anticipate means hoping something. Antonyms of hope are disappear, doubt, distrust, misgiving. So disappear means you are in doubt, you are in distrust, misgiving. Use, next word is use. Use synonyms are enormous, vast, gigantic, immense. So new word gigantic and immense means use. Enormous, large numbers, vast, gigantic, immense. Antonyms of use are tiny, small, miniature, little. Humble. Synonyms of humbles are modest, unassuming, meek, unpretentious. Humble antonyms are very proud, arrogant, boastful, conceited. So these are the antonyms of humble. Ignore. Ignore synonyms are disregard, neglect, overlook, discount. Ignore antonyms are notice, acknowledge, recognize, heed. So new word is heed means acknowledge. Improve synonyms are enhance, better, refine, upgrade. Antonyms become something which is worsening, deteriorating, decline, decrease. Next word is increase. Synonyms are raise, expand, augment, boost. So new word is augments means increasing. Augment means increasing. Augment. Antonym of increase is decrease, reduce, lessen, diminish. Diminish means reducing something. Include synonym are contain, encompass, incorporate, involve. Then it becomes antonyms become exclude, omit, remove, eliminate, which is not included, and that it becomes excluded, omit, remove, eliminate. Insane synonyms are crazy, mad, demented, lunatic. So new words, two new words, demented and lunatic means mad person. Insane, demented, lunatic. Lunatic means mad, demented, mad, crazy. Antonyms are sane, rational, sound, sensible. Intelligent is synonyms are smart, bright, clever, brilliant. Antonyms are stupid, dull, foolish, unintelligent. Interesting. Synonyms are fascinating, engaging, intriguing, captivating. So intriguing means which is fascinating, attracting, interesting, engaging, captivating the same things. Interesting, fascinating is the scenery is intriguing, captivating means interesting, fascinating, engaging. So two new words are intriguing and captivating means interesting. Now, opposite meaning antonyms of interesting are boring, dull, uninteresting, tedious. So, tedious means boring. Same thing from morning to night, you are doing the same works. It becomes tedious, it becomes boring. Join synonyms are unite, combine, connect, link. Antonyms are separate, divide, split, disconnects. Next word is kind. Synonyms are compassionate, generous, benevolent, friendly. So three new words are compassionate, generous, and benevolent. So compassionate, generous, benevolent meanings the person is kind and friendly. Benevolent, generous, compassionate person is kind and friendly. Opposite of kind, antonyms of kinds are cruel, mean, harsh, unkind. Large. Synonyms are big, huge, enormous, immense. Antonyms are small, tiny, little, miniatures. Laugh. Synonyms are giggle, chuckle, chortle, sneaker. So laugh. Synonyms are giggle, chuckle, chortle, sneaker. Antonyms are cry, weep, sob, mourn. Lazy, synonyms are idle, indolent, sluggish, lethargic. So, new words for you indolent, sluggish, lethargic. So, don't be indolent, don't be sluggish, don't be lethargic, my dear students. Otherwise, it's very difficult to crack any entrance examination. It is very difficult to achieve your goal. So, don't be industrious, be diligent, be active, be energetic, be hard. Always use your brain and mind, and with your hard work, which is very essential for cracking any examination and to achieving a goal. So be industrious always. So indolent, sluggish, lethargic means the person is idle, lazy. So student, don't be indolent, sluggish, lethargic. Always be industrious, be diligent, be active, be energetic to achieve your goal. So industrious, diligent, active, energetic means hard work, active person. Light. Light synonyms are bright, luminous, radiant, illuminated. Radiant, luminous, illuminated means bright. Light antonyms are dark, dim, gloomy, shadowy. Like synonyms are enjoy, love, appreciate, prefer. Antonyms of like are dislike, hate, loathe, detest. So new words loathe and detest means dislike, hate. Loud synonyms are noisy, deafening, boisterous, thunderous. So boisterous and deafening are new words means something which is noisy. Boisterous means noisy. Deafening means noisy, loud. No, loud's antonyms, opposite meanings are quiet, soft, silent, muted. Love, synonyms are adore, cherish, treasure, adolize. So adolize is a new word means love. Love, adolize, love, cherish, love. Opposite of love, hatred, despise, loathe, abhor. So despise means hatred, dislike, loathe, hatred, dislike, abhor, hatred, dislike. Lucky, synonyms are fortunate, blessed, favored, auspicious. So when you cleared any entrance examination, you feel fortunate, you feel blessed, you feel favored, you feel auspicious, means lucky. So in place of lucky, you can use the word fortunate, blessed, favored, auspicious. Antonyms are unlucky, unfortunate, cursed, jinxed. So new word is jinxed, which is means unfortunate, unlucky. Mature, synonyms are adult, grown up, developed, ripe. Antonyms are immature, young, juvenile, childish. Neat, synonyms are tidy, orderly, clean, organized. Antonyms are messy, untidy, disorganized, cluttered. New, synonyms are recent, modern, fresh, novel. Antonyms are old, ancient, antique, outdated. Normal, synonyms are use, regular, standard, typical. Antonyms are abnormal, unusual, atypical, rare. Notice. Synonyms are observe, see, perceive, detect. So perceive word is coming means you should not notice anything. Perceive, it is a new word, means to notice anything, to look at anything, detect anything. notice. Then antonyms of notice are ignore, overlook, disregard, miss. Old. Next word is old. Synonyms are aged, elderly, ancient, antique. Antonyms are new, young, fresh, modern. Ordinary. Synonyms are common, typical, regular, routine. Antonyms are extraordinary, unusual, rare, unique. Pain. Synonyms are suffering, ache, agony, distress. Antonyms are comfort, ease, relief, pleasure. Polite synonyms are courteous, civil, respectful, mannerly. Antonyms are rude, impolite, discourteous, insolent. Poor synonyms are needy, destitute, impoverished, penniless. Poor means a person who is in destitute, impoverished, penniless. So destitute means poor condition.